Good night. Yours truly, Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin here, the lecture teacher, Decatur, Georgia, the Vista New. And tonight we're continuing with the electronic bed of chemical elements. Alright, we're doing the periodic bed of chemical elements, and this is a comparison with the periodic table. It's none other than the periodic table projected on an earbed. So we call it now the periodic bed instead of table of chemical elements. And now we have reached group 8. We call it G8 and G9. And down here we have the lanthanide series. And up here we have the normal series. Okay, so let's continue with group 8 now. We have now in group 8 Fe. This is iron, and since the law of the rows are in arithmetic progression, so if this is 25, then this is 26. So we have iron with atomic number 26. Then we have Ru, ruthenium, Ru, with atomic number, this is 43, so this is 44. Then we have osmium, OS, group 8 now, or if you look at it from the column perspective, it's column 8. Like a matrix with some of these blank space, really. So it's column and rows, column 8. And osmium, this is 75, this is 76, atomic number. And then we have now HS, that's acium, HS, acium, 107, this is 108. The laws of the rows are that each other element goes up by 1. 21, 22, so this is an arithmetic progression going like that. Except when there are exceptions when we drop off some of the element into the lanthanide series. Okay, let's see. Then we go into the lanthanide series now, and we have SM for samarium. SM, samarium, and if we are following this rule, this would be 62. And the last one here would be Pu, plutonium, radioactive element, plutonium. And plutonium, we're following this one, it will be 94. So there we have now column 8 or group 8 elements and their atomic number. And so we go over to group 9. So group 9 over here. And for group 9 we have now RH, that's rhodium. It must be cobalt. Where's cobalt? Yeah, cobalt. Cobalt, yeah. CO, cobalt. And this is 26, so this goes up to 27 now, atomic number. For cobalt, we have RH, rhodium, and this is 44, so rhodium RH is 45. Then we have iridium, group 9 elements. And iridium is supposed to be 77, following this rule, 74, 75, 76, 77 in the rows. Then we have, coming down in group 9, or column 9, we have methanium, if I pronounce that right, Me, and that's 109, this is 108, so this is 109. And if we go in the lanthanide series now, what we have is EU, europium, EU, europium, and for europium now, we have 61, 63 rather, 62, 63, and the last one in group 9 with the PM as promethium. No, we can't have two promethium here with 61. This is another element. Let's see what the one for 95 is. Atomic number 95. So it might be, let's see what it is. So this one is, we'll soon find out which one, but this will take on atomic number 95. And it's certainly not how we can have two promethium here. This is 61 for promethium. It's supposed to be 95. We'll find out what element is that. Okay? So, that. So we have group 8 and group 9, and we're going to correct that for the element with PM. It's not PM, it's supposed to be P something. This is plutonium here. It's supposed to be another element there. Okay. So let's take a break, then we return. And we're left with now group 10 and 11, nickel and copper. Starting off with nickel and copper. We know that Einsteinium is like 99, that's a synthetic element, yes. So we find out what is 95 there. Let's take a close-up look. So far, we're focusing on group 8 and 9. And this one has to be corrected here. The atomic number is right, but let's see which one it is. The periodic bed of chemical elements here, which is just a periodic table projected on a ear bed. So the lanthanide series, yeah.